is first contact overlay for opportunities and appointments. Now, if we are on the opportunity page or opportunity page, if we click on the contact's name, we have this overlay page that shows the conversations as well as the contacts field over here. So we don't have to switch to contacts or conversation to view this. It's already an overlay. So we can do on a single column view without a conversation, or two column view with the conversation on the left and then the fields on the right. And then we can also, if you want to go to the contacts page, we just click on the go contact page, then it will go to the contact page on its own. Next is import data directly from HubSpot into HighLevel. We have a lot of, I know that I connect with some of the HighLevel users now that are migrating from HubSpot to HighLevel. So this is a great update for them because it's now easy to update all the data directly from HubSpot without exporting the data from HubSpot. Here, it's now built in. You go to import data, okay, and then select import from HubSpot. So import data, you have these steps here to get started. Select the objects, what you want to import, and then handle duplicates, prevent. So these are all built-in steps. So no manual that you need to do with migrating. Next is the events. Beta is now available in labs for everyone. So what is events? This is the creating and promoting, selling tickets, managing attendees, checking people in. So this is before and after the event. Okay, so this you go to memberships and you have this events tab on top. Here you'll see like your library of events that you've created. So in building, you have these different tabs on top. We have the overview, the tickets, the details. You can create a page over here, registration numbers, check-ins, and then you have the settings. So these are all managed inside this events tab or events page. And also, as after the event, you can also use this on a workflow to trigger a follow-up or any actions, like if someone's registered, if someone booked, everything, you can also create an automation out of it. So events from before and after the event, it's all available inside now
Oh,
HighLevel.
I'm excited to play with that one. Harold will like that one when he gets back as well. Excellent.
Correct. Awesome. And now custom values, this is Lisa what you've shared earlier on our builders channel, custom value support in dashboard and reporting. On when we are editing elements and when we're creating dashboard, there is this curly bracket icon that we can now use if we want this, for example, on the right screenshot, instead of typing in the address, we can just use the custom value for the address or custom field for the address. So
Excellent.
it's, as you can see, you can search the values. You don't have to type in the key. You can easily just search the value and select here on the drop down, and it's now available for dashboards and reporting.
Is it in labs or is it just on now?
I will check on that, Lisa.
Thanks.
Okay. Next is conditional custom fields for opportunities. Now we can set on conditional conditions on on the opportunities. So this is an example when you're creating opportunities. So you can create a conditional rules. For example, the trigger is if the pipeline stage is changed, is any of the closed, what is the outcome? So now we can create an outcome or a custom rule inside the opportunity. So this is an example of the rule that we can create. We can add a condition and then we can set an outcome.
And that's within opportunities.
Correct.
That's
So see,
nuts.
yes, you can now have that condition. So I think we can skip the automation and just build it here in
Yeah,
case,
quite
we have a
possibly.
lot of use cases for this, if I can think of.
Love
Yep.
it.
And then this is the trigger and then this is the outcome. So this is also an example. We can also set a proposal amount, expected close dates. So all of that. Next thing is to generate and copy the schedule link directly from appointments. Now, if we need to share the schedule link to the client, so let's say John Doe's appointment, just click on this three-dot icon, and there's this new feature which is to copy the reschedule link and then share it to your clients. All right, gift cards. Redeem gift cards while collecting calendar payments. Before this, the customer can only redeem gift cards when they purchase, all right, or when, they can just do it on their own. Now, as a user of High Level, we can also now, process the and redeem the gift cards. What we will do is, for example, on the appointment, we collect the payment and select charge a card. And then here, there's a portion to redeem a gift card. So we'll just put in the code and then confirm and charge. So we can use it, we can do it as a user for our
Amazing.
customer, for the
Yeah,
customer.
yeah, yeah. Brilliant.
And next is single page unpublish for funnels and websites. This is great because now we can unpublish a single page on a funnel and a website.
That's
Before we
like
used to,
pausing a node inside of a workflow. How nice is that?
yes, but now, like, before, I have to remove the domain just to unpublish it, or I have to recreate and separate it just to unpublish it. Now
Yeah,
it's available. Just gonna just click the step, funnel step, and then if you want to unpublish it, just click unpublish, and then it will take you if you want to redirect on a standard 404 page or a redirect page. And then you can put in the link to the redirect or
oh my
just
God,
that
they've
stand.
put it, they've baked it all in. You can just redirect it from there. How brilliant is that?
Yes, awesome. So it's also available here on the builders page. If you want to unpublish it, you can use it here. The three dot is available on the left tab or a left panel. You can visibly see, like if you click on this drop down, if this page is published or unpublished or live. That's the word that they use here, if it's unpublished, right?
Brilliant.
Next is smarter customizable profile and business cards. Before I used to do this inside the Canva, and I didn't know that it's available on high level under QR codes. You go to sites and the QR codes, and then just create. No, you go to QR codes. And then you select the personal card. And here there is a built-in save your contact feature. And then you can do the styling, put all your links. And what is good in this is that it automatically saves the um, that contact that you shared your profile card. It saves automatically here on the CRM, on the contacts page. And then on the contact source here, the name of your profile card. You'll be able here to see in the activity. So these are the page that visited and all of that. So everything is built in and automatically. Next is some email types are now exempted from DND. Before, if we have set our client, you know,
Oh, exceptions to DND for invoices, calendar notifications, and system notifications. Hell yeah.
yeah, oh yes. So if they, how you say that? If they, what's the term, Lisa? Unsubscribed.
Thank you. Unsubscribe.
The system put them on DND, right? And then they cannot receive a notification and all the other stuff from the from the high level. And now this is now set that they can still receive all of these notifications and payments and invoices, messages, emails. All right. Next thing is explain this workflow discovery pill in Snapshot imported workflows. You've been seeing this purple explain this workflow. I will say that
Banner.
one.
Call it a
But
banner sticker. Yeah.
this one means that this workflow is how you say that added to the account via Snapshot. So they have this one built in so that because you're not the one who built it, so this explains to you what is this workflow for, right? So if you're the one who built it on side your account, you will not see this purple thing. But since it's imported to your account by a snapshot, this is available for you. You can, yeah, AI assistant will explain to you what this workflow for and what it does. And yep, you can just dismiss this once and it will not reappear again. And that's for this week's update.
Brilliant. Fantastic updates.